Good afternoon, children of class 5. Today is 2nd of February. Today I am going to do a new lesson of yours, English language. This is going to be the second last lesson, I think. And one more lesson will be there that I'll be able to finish by tomorrow. And then I'll forward some short comprehension and paragraph. And then we will get at least 15 days for revision classes. And mind it, you all have to follow or be present, or you can say you have to attend all of your revision classes, which I'm going to take alternate days. Either I'll take every day at a fixed time or in alternate days. Is that clear? Okay, now future continuous tense. In my previous class, we have done simple future tense, that is by using will, shall. There I have mentioned with which word you have to use will, shall, and where you can only use will. Okay, so now we will do future continuous tense. Now continuous tense is a word which you should be accustomed with. Previous classes you have done present continuous, past continuous, and there we have seen we have to use verb plus ing. Along with that, we have to use will or shall wherever it is required. Okay, so now a verb in the future continuous tense tells us of an action that will happen in the future and go on for a period of time. Means something which is going to happen in the future and that will continue for a long period of time. माने बहुत देर तक जो काम extended रहेगा, that is called continuous tense. As because the work will keep on extending for some time, so it is called continuous tense. Okay, now we use will with all nouns and pronouns. This word has already been mentioned in your future simple future tense. Next comes we use shall and will with pronoun I. When we are using I, we can use shall or will. It depends upon the type of sentence it is mentioning. Like you see, Dhaval will be waiting for Katha in the canteen. Will be is the future tense and waiting is the verb plus ing. Then comes the cats will be sleeping. Will be future tense. Sleeping is the verb plus ing. So these two things required over here have already been used in these sentences. Okay. Now next, I shall be. I shall be playing. Playing means verb plus ing. This is also, these are the things required. These are the ingredients. अब ये जो खाना तुम लोग पका रहे हो ना, फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, इस खाना को पकाने के लिए तुम लोग को ये सारे मसाले देने पड़ेंगे. अब तुमको सेंटेंस में ढूंढना है कि ये सारे मसाले इस प्रिपरेशन में है कि नहीं. अगर है तो ठीक है, अगर नहीं है तो तुम्हें लगाना है. ठीक है. Now next, change these sentences from future tense to future continuous tense. Very nice. Future tense में ये दिया ही हुआ है, आपको इसको future continuous tense में लेकर जाना है. That is, आपको देखना है will है, shall है और verb plus ing है. ठीक है. सो अगर ये तीन चीज़ें यहाँ पर हैं तो ठीक है, वरना आपको ऐड करनी है. जैसे देखो, आई शैल वर्क हार्ड फॉर माई एग्ज़ाम्स. मैं अपने एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा खटूँगा या वर्क करूँगा, काम करूँगा. तो यहाँ पे शैल है, ज़रूरत है, वर्क है, ज़रूरत है वहाँ पर, लेकिन क्या नहीं है, ing नहीं है. ठीक है. इसलिए इन द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस दे हैव एडेड आई शैल बी वर्किंग हार्ड for my exams. That means what? When you are adding verb plus ing, you have to use be. What? Be. So they will lift the box in the truck. They will be lifting the box in the truck. Okay. The students will act in the school play. The students will be acting in the school play. She will call her friend in the evening. She will be calling her friend in the evening. Okay, Rohit will celebrate his birthday on Saturday. Rohit will be celebrating his birthday on Saturday. समझ में आई आपको? एक किया हुआ है, बाकी मैं बता रही हूँ. देखो, the teacher will collect our notebooks in a while. The teacher will be collecting our notebooks in a while. The boys will dig the field. The boys will be digging the field. We will fly kites in the evening. We will be flying kites in the evening. Ranjana will frame her paintings. Ranjana will be framing her paintings. The principal will give away the prizes on sports day. The principal will be giving away the prizes on sports day. Understand you all? So this 10 sentences I have done for you. I hope you must have understood how we have done, and this will be your homework. Homework for today. Okay. What do you have to do? Here words or verbs are given in the bracket. You have to put shall or will. You know pretty well, I and we use shall, and rest we use will. Okay, so you see, I will be going because I, so we shall be having, they will be joining. Understand? Now 3 I have told you, rest you will do by your own. And here ends your lesson number 17. Do it, children. If you have any doubt, send me anything in your, in my WhatsApp number. I'll definitely clear it out and help you out to sort out your problems. Okay? Thank you.